It's 2025 and you think you've done everything right. You arrived 2 hours early. You packed light. You followed every rule you remembered from the last time you flew. Welcome to airports in 2025, where the rules you thought you knew no longer apply. But suddenly, your bag is flagged, your smartwatch triggers an alert, and you're being pulled aside while the clock ticks down on your boarding time. Stay tuned, because hack number 7 could save you $150 at the gate. I've helped quite a number of travelers avoid costly mistakes and fly with confidence. And this year, things are changing faster than ever. Today, I'm going to break down the 10 biggest airport rule changes in 2025 and show you the exact hacks that experienced travelers use to breeze through security, dodge hidden fees, and keep their trips stress-free. These are the insider secrets you need before your next flight, because if you don't know them, you risk delays, fines, or even missing your plane. Tip 1. AI face scans are now boarding passes. In 2025, your face is your boarding pass. At major airports, facial recognition systems now replace paper tickets, phone apps, and even bag claim tags. You simply walk up to the camera, and the system checks you in. It sounds futuristic and convenient until it isn't. One traveler in Atlanta learned this the hard way. She had recently updated her hairstyle and the AI system didn't recognize her. Instead of breezing through, she was pulled aside for secondary screening. By the time her identity was cleared, her plane was already in the air. Stories like this are becoming more common as airports expand biometric boarding. The bottom line? AI can't guess if your appearance has changed. If you've altered your look, new hairstyle, facial surgery, even cosmetic changes, update your passport photo or airline profile before your trip. It's a simple step that could save you hours of stress, embarrassment at the gate, and even the cost of a missed flight. Tip 2. The mutated 311 rule. Remember the old 311 liquid rule? 3 ounces, 1 quart-sized bag per passenger. Well, in 2025, that rule is evolving. New CT scanners are rolling out in airports like Heathrow, LAX, and JFK. These machines can see inside your toiletries without you unpacking a thing. Even better, some now allow liquid containers up to 500 milliliters, more than double the old limit. Sounds like the end of the 311 hassle, right? Not so fast. Not every airport has these upgraded scanners. And even when they do, not every security lane uses them. That means if you accidentally step into a standard lane, security officers can and will confiscate your full-size items. One traveler learned this the hard way, losing $80 worth of premium skincare after choosing the wrong line. The lesson? Always check your departure and connection airports before flying. If you're unsure whether CT scanners are in use, stick with travel-size liquids. Until the old rule disappears completely, it's safer to play it smart than to lose your expensive essentials. Tip 3. Your clothes can flag you. In the past, airport security cared mostly about what was inside your bag. In 2025, AI-powered systems are just as focused on what's on your body. Oversized hoodies, cargo pants stuffed with pockets, heavy boots, and layered jackets all raise red flags. Even metal zippers and ankle wallets can trigger alerts. One traveler found this out the hard way when his oversized hoodie, baggy cargo pants, and boots set off anomaly detectors. He was pulled aside, subjected to a full pat-down, and delayed long enough to nearly miss his flight. Airports are training AI systems to detect anything that looks like concealment or extra bulk. That means your outfit could decide whether you breeze through or end up in secondary screening. The smartest flyers now keep it simple. Thin, breathable layers, minimal accessories, and as little metal hardware as possible. In 2025, dressing for travel isn't just about comfort. It's about avoiding suspicion. Your clothing is now part of the security process, so plan your outfit like you plan your packing. Tip 4. Silent airports. Picture this. You're sitting at your gate, headphones on, relaxing before your flight. Everything feels calm until you glance up and realize your flight is gone. Welcome to the era of silent airports. Across Europe and beyond, many major hubs, like Amsterdam, Zurich, and Helsinki, are reducing noise pollution by eliminating boarding announcements. No more gate change alerts. No final boarding calls. If you're not actively checking the monitors, or if your airline app isn't perfectly synced, you could miss your flight without hearing a single warning. One traveler in Amsterdam learned this the hard way, discovering too late that her gate had changed. By the time she reached the correct terminal, the doors were already closed. This shift has caught thousands of travelers off guard. The solution is simple but essential. Download the official airport app and enable push notifications for real-time updates. Even better, get into the habit of checking the departure boards at least every 15 minutes. Because in a silent airport, your ears won't save you. Your phone and your attention will. Tip 5. Smart bags and amp battery rules. That sleek new smart suitcase you just bought might not even make it past security in 2025. Airports across the US and beyond are cracking down on luggage that isn't built with security in mind. The problem? Zippers can be popped open with something as simple as a pen, leaving no trace. Even more concerning are smart bags with built-in batteries that cannot be removed. One stylish traveler recently learned this lesson the hard way. At check-in, TSA agents flagged her $300 designer smart bag. Because the battery wasn't detachable, she was forced to abandon it right there at the counter. The suitcase stayed behind while she flew on without it. Situations like this are becoming increasingly common as more hubs enforce the rule. The fix is simple. Make sure your luggage is zipperless for security and equipped with a battery that can be easily removed. Before you head to the airport, double-check your bag. If it doesn't meet the standard, it might not be traveling with you. Tip 6. Gate-side weight checks. You made it through security. You're standing at the gate. Your boarding group is about to be called. Then suddenly the gate agent stops you. Surprise weight checks are back in 2025 and they're catching travelers off guard. One passenger flying Spirit Airlines was forced to pay a $100 fee on the spot because her carry-on weighed just 1 pound over the limit. No amount of pleading helped. The airline charged her or she couldn't board. This isn't just a rumor. It's happening right at the gate, minutes before you step on the plane. And it's not just budget airlines. Carriers across the US and Europe are quietly reintroducing these checks, especially targeting overstuffed roller bags and tech-heavy carry-ons. The best way to beat the scale is simple. Shift heavy items like chargers, books, and power banks into your coat pockets before boarding. Airlines don't weigh your jacket, but they do weigh your bag. A little strategy can save you hundreds of dollars and a lot of frustration. Tip 7. Electronics, get heat scanned. Electronics are getting a new level of scrutiny in 2025. It's not enough for your laptop or tablet to pass through the X-ray machine. TSA is now quietly using thermal scanners to check whether your devices are running too hot. One gamer at JFK learned this the hard way. His custom-built $2,000 laptop triggered a heat alert, even though it looked completely fine on the outside. Security pulled the device for secondary screening, delaying him more than 40 minutes. And here's the kicker. It doesn't have to be broken or suspicious. Perfectly normal devices can still get flagged if they've been running too long, overheating, or even sitting in a bag without cooling. The solution is simple but often overlooked. Shut your electronics down completely before you head to the airport. No sleep mode, no hibernation. Let them cool off for at least 30 minutes before screening. Because in 2025, TSA isn't just looking at what's inside your laptop. They're measuring the temperature of your tech, and if it's too hot, you're getting pulled aside. Tip 8. Biometric exit checks. Getting into the US has always meant extra paperwork, but in 2025, even leaving comes with new rules. Many airports now require biometric exit scans before passengers board their international flights. Your face or fingerprints are scanned and logged to confirm your departure. If the system fails, the consequences can be serious. One traveler learned this the hard way when her exit scan didn't register properly. She thought nothing of it, until months later, when she tried to return to the U.S. immigration flagged her as having overstayed her visa, even though she had left on time. Her re-entry was denied all because of a missed scan. The fix is simple but crucial. Always check that your biometric exit scan goes through before stepping onto the jet bridge. If you don't see confirmation, alert the gate staff immediately. A 30-second check could save you months of headaches, canceled plans, or even being barred from your next trip. Tip 9. Fast-track biometric lanes. The divide between travelers is sharper than ever in 2025. Regular security lines at major hubs often stretch to 45 minutes or more. Meanwhile, fast-track biometric lanes like TSA PreCheck, Global Entry, and Clear are flying passengers through in under 10. One traveler at LAX timed it, 45 minutes in the standard line versus just 8 minutes in the fast-track lane. And here's the thing, these programs are no longer just perks for frequent flyers. With airports getting busier and security rules expanding, the time you save more than justifies the cost. If you fly more than twice a year, enrollment pays for itself almost instantly. The catch? You can't sign up at the last minute. These programs require pre-approval, background checks, and in some cases, interviews. The smart move is to apply now, long before your next trip. Because the next time you're standing in a 45-minute line while others breeze past in minutes, you'll wish you had. Tip 10. Airport apps. In 2025, relying on your airline's app alone is no longer enough. Airlines update their own flight information, but gate changes, terminal shifts, and security wait times are controlled by the airport itself. One traveler in Chicago learned this the hard way. She had her airline's app open and thought everything was fine, until she realized too late that her gate had changed. The notice never showed up because the update came from the airport, not the airline. By the time she reached the right terminal, her flight was gone. The solution is easy, but most travelers overlook it. Always download both your departure and connection airport's official apps. Turn on push notifications and allow them to track your flight in real time. Together with your airline app, they give you a complete picture: delays, gate changes, boarding calls, and even baggage claim info. In a world of silent airports and last-minute shifts, the right apps aren't just nice to have. They're your lifeline. Face scans replacing boarding passes. Liquids under a microscope with the mutated 311 rule. Outfits that can flag you for extra screening. Silent airports where no one calls your name. Smart bags banned if batteries can't be removed. Surprise weight traps at the gate. Electronics scanned for heat. Exit biometrics that determine if you'll be allowed back. Fast-track lanes that save nearly an hour. And airport apps that give you updates your airline app won't. These are the airport rules redefining travel in 2025. Airports in 2025 are smarter, faster, and tougher than ever. The rules have changed, and the smallest mistake can cost you time, money, or even your flight. But now you know how to stay one step ahead. Don't get caught off guard. Tap subscribe for more travel secrets and drop your wildest airport fail in the comments below. I'll feature the funniest ones in a future video because sometimes the best way to learn is from each other's disasters.